Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from, although this green line here I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first big update, though, that needs to be done comes about via this red line right here, which I've talked about time and time again as a stubborn area of resistance. However, during the final 30 minutes, first off, to set up some context, volume came pouring in, and you can see got a good solid green candle that not only broke above that red line, but closed quite a bit of a way above it. So that is where the first key update comes into play, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. I mean, I'm not going to call it a do or die level because that would be, misleading. But if the price were to come down here and then fall below $1.90, that would be putting the price right back to where it was. Or in other words, that'd be a failed breakout. Now, just because there's a failed breakout, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? No, but as far as this breakout that occurred during the last 30 minutes, you want to see the price start to show some signs of strength, meaning if the price were to come down there and then behave in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows right there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. That's a breakout getting continuation. So from just looking at today and the breakout and answering that question, hey, is this breakout the start of something bigger? Well, let's see if it can get bigger. Let's see if it can make progress. And again, in that situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as staying above $1.90. Now, what about next potential areas of resistance? So the next level that looks very interesting going forward, that is certainly within striking distance, so red for resistance. But next key area of resistance now to watch very closely, going to be right there at the $2 mark. And then after $2, next key level, not until up around the $2.15 mark, which gives this quite a bit of room to potentially run. But all in all, great movement today, great final 30 minutes. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon the momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.